Good evening, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm going to tell you one very profitable option buying strategy. That is in stock options. You can make money in the stock options. You can hold it for 3 days, or you can trail it day by day. You can track that particular stock and be in that stock. The first thing is selection of the stock. For that, I've made video here, one video. I'll show it to you. This is the swing identification, change of character market secret. That is the video I've made. You can go there and look into it. You will understand what is the funda about this swing identification. Let me come back. See, we are seeing for the 3 closes. In that swing, actually, we are looking for the change of character. Next day, bullish scan. We had made bullish scan, and the stocks will pick up the 3-day lower close stocks. That means the 3-day lower class, and the next day there will be a change of character. What I felt was we are not catching the stocks at the at the bottom, because option premiums will run up. So I thought I wanted to find a solution for that. So I started thinking about that, and then I found out something. And I asked one of my viewer, his name is Ranganath Pandey. He is from Jharkhand, Vaidyanath temple actually. His father is priest in Vaidyanath temple. I asked him to do this. So this is the screener what he made for me according to my instruction. I'm going to show there. The conditions are daily close less than 1 day ago close, daily close less than 2 day ago close, and daily close less than 3 days ago close. This is for the bullish scan, I believe, test scan. Then if you want, we can enable this and we can do that. So it has been switched off, volume and everything has been switched off, and we are running this scan. When we run this scan, we will get these type of stocks, all the bearish stocks, bearish closes, we are going to get the stock. Out of it, we are selecting, I have selected Adani Ports for my observation. What I'm going to do is, these are the conditions. You can see the close, when this was the close, and you can see the close, bearish close, bearish close. The close is, even the 3 days close, lower than the 3 days close. So all the conditions have been met, and the screener has given me this stuff. What I will do is, the only one trick I'm going to do is, you also should do that. When you pick up this stock for the next day, whether it is going to go up or down, we are going to do screen for something. What I am going to do, this is the close of the normal candle. The close of the normal candle is 1181.60. If I change it to Heikin-Ashi, the close is 1184.95. So I felt this is suitable for because between the close of the normal candle and the Heikin-Ashi candle, Heikin-Ashi is an average candle. Even though it is little slightly higher, the difference is not much. So I consider this as for my watch list. I will keep it and I will track this. So it has come into my watch list. I've put it into the watch list. The condition from the screener, we got the stock, and the next screener was between the average price between the Heikin-Ashi candle and the normal candle. The difference was not much. And also, if I see the structure in the market, this structure it is making higher high. So now it is correcting. The correction is on in the Adani Ports. So I will be tracking it and I will not be jumping into the stock. So next thing what I'll do is, this is the indicator. I'll show it to you. I'll go to this Srinivas. Level 1 and 2 degrees. You can see that. You can apply on your chart. Level 1 and 2 degrees, you can apply. This person is a software engineer residing at Texas, and he started watching my videos. Since it was interesting for him, he contacted me. So I got to know him and I talked to him and I asked him to, I gave certain conditions for him. Can you make an indicator? So when I asked for that, he obliged and he has made an indicator level 1 and 2 degrees. So you can also apply. It is freely available. He has published in the TradingView. So he is so generous not to hide anything. He has published it. So I am really thankful to him, and you should also be grateful to this person. So you can apply this. This is based on the calculations. Let me go there. This I'll show the calculator. This has been done by Ranganath Pandey. That is the person who has made the screener. Before getting the indicator, he made it for me on the Excel sheet. So this is nothing but 26.61 is percentage is the percentage of 90 degree. That I have explained, 26.61 and 66.66% of the 90 degree. I have explained it in my previous video. That's how this 26.61% is comparable to 30 degree, and this will be comparable to 60 degree of the 90 degree. That I have explained. What basic thing what we are doing is taking the square root of closing price, multiplying by either by 26.61 or 66.66, we will get a value, and after getting the value, we are calculating the percentage. When we calculate the percentage, so we are getting certain values. We are adding to the closing price, whether it is 26.61, adding and subtracting from the closing price to get resistance and support. Like that, we are getting resistance support. These are all the Gann angles. Depending upon the angles, we are getting the levels. They are not subjective. They are mathematical calculation. You should understand. So there will not be any disparity or anything. So like that, we are calculating, and I am applying on the chart. Adani Ports, I think I have already applied. Only 26.61 I have applied, and this is upper side. I am getting the value here, 1190. So if I enable the indicator, here I am enabling the indicator. If I go to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes chart, you can see the levels plotted over here. That is based on the 26.61 and 66.61. So if you see here, these are the levels. 1177 and 1195. Little bit difference. 1190 we are getting in the calculator and 1178 in the calculator. I asked him to put a median line for this. That green color is the median line. If I go to the settings there, you are getting all these things. You can see for yourself how it has been done here. Okay. So once we plot this, so the conditions, depending upon the condition, we are selecting the stock. And also I had seen for Adani Ports making an higher high structure. In the last leg, actually, if you would have got earlier this stock, you could have made a lot of money. And I'm going to show you, suppose tomorrow, if it obliges, if it holds this 1161, we are keenly watching, we are keeping it in our stock list. So in the opening bell, suppose if it starts, these are the two levels I have marked. 26.11, right? 1188, 1190 it is giving. Let me change it to 1190. Oh, that is the Aikinashi level. When it opens above this level, 1190, and it is showing this is also equilibrium level. And the first 5-minute candle, whether it is a 5-minute candle or it may take some 3-5 minutes candle, then what you can do is, if the candle starts moving like this, it is a positive thing. It will start a positive thing. And if it crosses this level, it is a change of, see, this is the swing. It will start moving higher. We are going to take the stock and consider this for swing trade. Then what we are doing is, how much it can, we will anticipate, suppose if it starts moving higher, we will anticipate minimum 8 to 10% of up move in the stock. So what I will do is, I'll go to Adani Ports option here. I'll click on the option. This is April month. Then 1220 or 1200 call. Where is the 1 minute? Let me go back. What was the level? We got percentage wise. This is 1270. Then I will go to 1300 call option. On the April month, I'll go there, click on that. So it is trading around very cheap. 9.65. I'll add it to my watch list. And then when that is showing a positive thing, I'm taking an position in that. You will be putting only around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees in this stock. And the low made is 9.2. So again, here you can see the levels over here. If it starts moving above, you will get some 10 rupees, 11 rupees. If it picks up momentum, it can start moving higher. So here we do not know the targets. For that target, we will wait for as the stock proceeds in the upward direction. So coming to the example of for that, why I am selecting, this was the stock, Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv came in the list, bearish stock. Let me go back to the Bajaj Finserv stock. It came in the radar, in the scanner, bearish this one on 21st. So when it came on the 21st, I marked the same procedure. I did see for the Aikinashi, there was not much difference in the stock. Let us go and check. This is Thursday, 9:50. Thursday, or we can see for the Thursday itself. Okay. Thursday, we'll go daily. Thursday is here. Let me remove this because I had written this. So Thursday, you can see this is Friday and Thursday. I'm putting a pointer on that. Closing is 1851.85. If I change it to Heikin-Ashi on Thursday, is it Thursday? It is here. The Heikin-Ashi is lower than the normal candle. This is the perfect stock. If we get like that, it will be very good. The Aikinashi average price is less than the closing price, 1840, less than the normal, 1851.85. This is the perfect stock. See, if I place the cursor, closing is here. I'm going to follow the same procedure and I'm select around here as 1835 as selected 1940 or 1950 call option. Out of the money call option. Okay. 1940 will not this. 1900 call option. Some order. Yeah, this one only. 1900 call option I selected and placed in my watch list and I marked the level and see, it started moving. When I marked the level, it came down and tested the levels. I calculated even for the option. Sometimes it will not work for options and because option is a different thing that the pricing is on so many factors, volatility, gamma, theta, and all those things. But on an average, you can have an idea. See, if I enable the here, you can get this is median line and this is the 26.11 level and this is 66. Blue color is 66.66 level. So when the price came, first 5-minute candle, it was a bearish candle. Next 5-minute is a positive one. Whether this protractor will work or not, I don't know. Okay, let me take my protractor for you people. I'm copying it and pasting on the chart. Here, when the swing is like this, so what I'm going to do is, first step is, I'll paste it first. First step, I am taking the high and low of the candle. There are no gaps. That's why I'm not going to this low. First 5-minute candle, high and low, I am marking. See, it is giving a, above this level, it is a positive 26.61 and it is indicating positiveness here itself. I need not put the protractor with the, because these are the levels, calculated levels compared to the 90 degree, 66.61 level and it is 26.16 level. See, here you can see clearly this is 40. When the price start moving above the 60 and 66.61, you don't need the protractor at all. You should understand why I'm telling. So it is a positive movement. You can take the position, hold it. You can see yourself. If you would have got into this price, 41 rupees, the same day, it had given, it has moved up to 65. That is 41 minus 65, 24 rupees. 24 rupees into 500. 24 into 500. 12,000. You are putting in how much money? 19,000, I believe. 40 into, let me clear, 41 or 40. On an average, I'm taking. It may not be exact. Don't comment in that. So you are putting around 16,000 rupees. For 16,000 rupees, you are getting 12,000. That is for a day. And what you can do, a strategy is, you are seeing a trend structure. So you can take, if you have money, you can take 2 lots. One, suppose if you have bought at 47 rupees or, so one, what you can do is, one, you can book profit, 1 lot. Another lot, you can keep it as a break even, not even break even. You are entering at 41 and already it is 50 rupees. For 9 rupees buffer is there. So 4,500 buffer is there. You are keeping the stop loss to this. And if it goes, no problem. You are having the profit. So you are trailing your stop loss. Once it opens, you are confident enough. It is not at all coming to this level, 64. Next, it continued its up move. Within 3 days, you got the stock. This call option went up to 111. You bought at 141. Let me clear. 111 minus 41, that is 70 points you have got. When you are multiplying by 500, you are getting 35,000. This is the one of the best profitable strategy. And I am going to attach the screener for you people to screen, but you should follow strictly the rules. You are not going to jumping into that, and you are analyzing the market, basic things you need to see. Let me go to the Bajaj Finance. Why did the stock? Let us go there. Stock. Bajaj Finserv. Let me hide this. On daily time frame, there will be a lot of lines. See, Bajaj Finserv had made a structure over here. It had fallen. There is a structure. So we are getting the stocks which are in pullback. That you need to confirm. So here we are taking the stock and riding for 10%, minimum 10%. We are riding for the minimum 10%. And you understood when you select when the stock comes under screener, you need to pick up. It came under the screener. In the screener, you can go and check on what day it had come. And you are checking for the difference between the Aikinashi and normal close, and then putting it to your watch list. And the next step is you are seeing for marking instead of marking, you can utilize this indicator. And you can apply this indicator on the 5-minute chart. You can see yourself on the next day, it started moving higher. You saw on the call option. So it has moved from 1852 to 1951, more than 100 points. So you are getting 111 from 40. That is 50% of the underlying move. Underlying has moved 100 points. So you are getting around 50 to 60 points in that. So this strategy is very powerful. So from now onwards, start doing that. Do not jump from one stock to the other. Like that, I got TCS. I tracked TCS and finished the trade. It started from TCS call option. Let me show it to you. TCS, we will go to the stocks. TCS call option, we picked up from here. I went for the 3,700 call options. I'll click on the 3,700 call option. April month. It was trading, it came down to 55. Okay. When it came down to 55, from there, you can see for yourself within one day. The next day itself, it has given 122. So if you would have picked around 55 or 60 or something, 155 minus, let me clear that, 155 minus 60 or 55, 56, 58, okay, 60 is equal to, you are getting 95 points and the lot size is 175. You are getting 16,625. If you are capable of doing multiple stocks, you can do that. Pick up 2 or 3 stocks and you can trade in them. You can do that if you are capable of tracking both the stocks at a time. You can do that. It is very profitable when compared to index trading. But you should follow strict rules. You should not enter haphazardly. See here, after moving higher, it started correction. Now it is coming back. It may come back to the normal level. TCS also, we can see. We'll go to the TCS stock. You can keep it in your watch list. You will get one more trade in this. 3,665. Let me go to the daily. Let me disable this. And see, you can see this is a breakout. Breakout from the range. So what we have to do, where it can come. So take this tool. So equilibrium is, so we have to put, sorry, from here, I'm putting from the top to bottom. So equilibrium is around 3603. So it is giving, this is the first day, closing is lower. So we need to wait for this stock, TCS, another 2 days. And if you are having in this, definitely this stock also will give minimum 4,000 in the month of April. You can track and keep it in your watch list, or you can buy. So this is the level. So the condition you need to see Aikinashi and everything. The day there is no difference, and when the normal candle price is above the Aikinashi level, close level, then it is a perfect entry for you people. Keep it in your watch list, track it, and see for the result, and you can comment back. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami, I have given you very best strategy. For this, I need thumbs up and subscription for my channel. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami, signing off.